By the end of this video, you're going to know the 20 best YouTube growth hacks for 2025. And the truth is, most beginners skip at least 4 of these and wondering why they're not growing. This isn't outdated advice either. These are the same exact strategy creators getting millions of views right now are still using. And if you miss the last one, it might be the reason why your channel stays invisible in 2025. Whether you're stuck at 100 subs or starting from 0, this is your YouTube cheat code. So take notes because these growth hacks are working right now and barely anyone is sharing them like this. Hack number 1. Master YouTube short. Don't just post up fast. Beginner's mistake. Most creators upload a short with no strategy. They start slow, talk too much, or copy TikTok. That don't work on YouTube. It's the right way. Your first second must create curiosity or surprise. Start with a question, a strong opinion, or a bold visual. For example, this one trick got me my first 1,000 subs in 7 days. 99% of creators are doing this wrong. Script your first line like it's a tweak, short, strong, show stopping. Cut the intro, jump straight into value. Use fast-paced editing, caption, and jump cut in the first 3 seconds. Number 2, use the 3-second loop test before posting a short. Beginner's mistake. Creators post video they think are interested, but they don't test whether they're actually show stopping. The right way. Before uploading, watch your short and mute. Ask yourself, if I didn't know me, would I stop scrolling here? Is the first 3 seconds don't pass the test? Redo the hook. Freeze frame your opening scene. Does it have a visual tension, a unique face, or something unexpected? Add fast movement or start mid-sentence to feel more dramatic. Test thumbnail for short using YouTube preview features on mobile. Pause scrolling, show your first few seconds. Number 3, use YouTube research tab weekly. Beginner's mistake. Most creators guess video ideas or follow what big YouTubers are doing without knowing what their audience is searching for. The right way, go to YouTube Studio, go in your analytics, go in your research tab, check the content gap section. It shows term your viewers are typing in but can't find great video on. Write down 3 content gap idea each week. Create titles that ask the exact question searched. For example, if the content gap is how to grow with 0 subs, make a video title, grow from 0 subscriber fast in 2025. No face, no gears. Use those keywords in your title, description, and script. Number 4, turn your community poll into shorts. Beginner's mistake. Creators treat poll as throwaway content and don't realize there are a goldmine of ideas people are literally asking you to cover. The right way, use the most vote option from your poll to create a short. It's pre-validated content, and if it sparks engagement in text, it will likely do even better on video. For example, what's stopping your growth? Top answer, low CTR. Your short, most small YouTuber never fix their CTR. Here how to boost it in 30 seconds. Post a poll every week. Ask pain point. Turn top answer into short using direct quote from your comment. Mention the community based on your response in the last week poll. Number 5, open loop keep people watching. Beginner's mistake. Creators give everything away too fast or list without making the viewers want to know what's next. The right way, use curiosity cliffhanger throughout. But that's not even the biggest mistake, and here where 90% of beginners mess it all up. For example, you say most people think thumbnail matter most. What actually grow might shock you. Now they have to watch the next 30 seconds. Write your video in segment and end each one with a cliffhanger or lead to the next. Watch Mr. Beast, Jenny Hill, or Jesser. They use this constantly. Number 6, add retention spike every 30 seconds. Beginner's mistake. Most new creators film long talking head video with no visual variety. This leads to viewers drop off in the first 30 to 60 second mark. The right way, retention spike are everything that reset tension, like a cut, zoom, B-roll, sound effect, pop-up text, or visual exchange. For example, watch Mr. Beast or Ryan Trian. They use zoom, meme editing, or B-roll every 30 seconds to keep attention high. Watch your video playback. Note where it starts to feel boring. Add zoom in when you emphasize a word. Text on screen when you say numbers or stats. B-roll on screen, share when explaining something. Do this at least every 30 seconds to reset the brain. Number 7, upload on a set schedule. Beginner's mistake. Small creator post randomly. Mondays this week, Friday next week. That tell YouTube and your audience, don't rely on me. The right way, pick a set upload day and time and stick to it, even if it's once a week. This builds algorithm trust and audience habit. For example, Think of it like your favorite TV show. You tune in because you know when to expect it. Choose the same day each week. For example, short on Tuesday and Thursday, long form on Friday. Set a reminder schedule upload in advance. Add it to your banner or community post. New video every Friday at 6 p.m. Number 8, use SEO tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. Beginner's mistake? Most creators pick video idea based on what they feel like posting instead of what people are actually searching for. The right way. Use tool like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find high search, low competition keywords before planning your video. For example, search how to get monetized on TubeBuddy. You will find keyword variation like how to get monetized fast on YouTube Short 2025. That's a golden topic. Download TubeBuddy or vidIQ free version. Look for keyword with green or yellow SEO scores. Use your best keyword in the title, first 100 words of your description, and say it in the video. Number 9, use your own name in the file upload. Beginner's mistake? Creators upload their video as untitled, which give YouTube zero context. The right way, rename your file with the name, keyword, phrase before uploading it. For example, instead of video 1 MP4, use how to get more YouTube views in 2025. Why? YouTube scans the file name as metadata. Every signal helps. Rename your video with your exact title or keyword phrase. Also rename your thumbnail image. Do this before uploading. YouTube read it immediately. Number 10, create playlists that actually work. Beginner's mistake? Most small creators show all their video into generic playlists like my video or upload. The right way, use playlists as mini series designed to keep viewers watching multiple videos back to back. For example, instead of tips, name your playlist YouTube Growth Hack for Beginners 2025. Group 3 to 5 related video into a theme playlist. Add keyword-rich description in each playlist. Link to them in the video description or pinned comment. Number 11, turn comment into content. Beginner's mistake? Most creators ignore their comment or only respond with thanks, but they miss out on goldmine of content ideas. The right way? If someone asks a question in your comment, that means more people probably have the same question. That question is your next video. For example, how do you increase watch time? Your next video, this is why your watch time sucks and how to fix it in 3 steps. Pin a comment asking what confuses you about growing on YouTube. Screenshot interested question to save for future video topic. Say in your video, this came from a viewer in the comment. That build community and make people want to comment again. Number 12, use the you versus them format. Beginner's mistake? Too many creators speak in general terms like people struggle with instead of addressing the viewer directly. The right way, use second person language. You, yours. This is what you're doing wrong. It's more personal and keep attention high. For example, hear what most creators do and hear what you should do instead. Rewrite your script to talk directly to the viewer. Use pattern like, you might think this is a good idea, but it's killing your growth. Study creator like Ali Abdal or Eric Soon. They're expert at this. Number 13, focus on community, not just subscriber. Beginner's mistake. Creator focus too much on vanity matrix subs, like, and not an actual connection. The right way, build a community, not a channel. Engage using poll, pin comment, live chat, or Q&A. Ask viewers for feedback and video ideas. For example, creators like Nick Nieman and Annie Dave use poll every week to drive engagement and content idea. Post a community poll twice a week. Use curiosity question. Pin a conversation starter in your comment section. Shout out commenter by name in your videos. Shout out to Marcus who asked this in last week's video. Number 14, avoid fluff intro. Beginner's mistake? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about that lost 50% of viewers in the first 15 seconds. The right way, start with the value, then quickly introduce yourself if needed. Use what we call a cold open. Jump into the problem or result. For example, here's the one reason your YouTube channel is stuck at 92 subscribers and how to fix it right now. Cut every "hey guys" before we start or into this video I'll be. Use bold question, stats, or direct pain point as opener. Hook in the first 5 seconds, then explain what's coming briefly. Number 15, end with a call to watch more, not just subscribe. Beginner's mistake. Creators end video with thanks for watching, like and subscribe. but viewers aren't ready to commit. They want more value first. The right way, instead of ending cold, link to another helpful video. Use end screen to suggest a next step. For example, if this helped, my next video breaks down the thumbnail formula I use to get 10% CTR. Go watch that next. Plan your end screen video before even film. Write a sentence to transition into that video naturally. Always end with purpose. Give them a reason to click another video, not just bounce. Number 16, use exploding topic to stay ahead. Beginner's mistake, most creators chase trend after they have gone viral, competing with bigger channel who already owns that topic. The right way, use tools like explodingtopic.com or Google Trend to spot what's rising now and be the first to cover it in your niche. For example, monetization change in YouTube Short begin trending in early 2025. Small creators who jump on it early saw huge views. Spend 10 minutes a week browsing trends related to YouTube, content creation, AI, monetization, etc. Create content around rising trends that related to your audience. For example, why this YouTube change will hurt small channel in 2025. Number 17, recycle long form content into short. Beginner's mistake, create a street short as total separate, but you can easily repurpose content you have already made. The right way. Turn the best 10 to 30 second moment from your long form into a short. Use clips that have emotion, result, or question. For example, from a long video, this title got me 8.7% CTR on a channel with under 500 subs. That's 10-second segment. Perfect short. After filming, highlight the best 2 to 3 hooks, reaction, or fact. Clip them into standalone short. Add bold text on screen and quick edit for retention. Number 18. Study small creator getting big views. Beginner's mistake, new creator idolize Mr. Beast but can't replicate his team, budget, or brand. The right way. Study creator under 50k subs getting 100k plus views. They're closer to where you are now. For example, search how to grow YouTube channel 2025 and look for creator with under 50k subs with high performance video. See how they title, structured, and hooked. Study 3 small creator in your niche weekly. Copy structure, not content. Observe their pacing, edit, thumbnail. Reverse engineer why their video blew up. Number 19, track your click-through rate. Beginner's mistake, most creators never look at their analytics or they look and don't know what matters. The right way, track your CTR every week. If people aren't clicking, the algorithm won't push your content. Aim for 5 to 10% CTR. Go to YouTube Studio, content, click on any video, click the analytics CTR. If it's under 4%, redo your thumbnail or title. Split test with tool like TubeBuddy, A/B testing, or simply re-upload a new thumbnail. Number 20, post with a purpose, not pressure. Beginner's mistake, post just to stay consistent, lead to rush and focus video that don't solve anything. The right way, every video should do one of these 3 things. Number 1, solve a problem. Number 2, spark emotion or curiosity. Number 3, tell a story your audience relates to. Ask yourself before filming, what's the purpose of this video? Cut any video ideas that doesn't help, entertain, or provoke interest. Make fewer, better videos if needed. Purpose beat pressure. Always. Here you have it. 20 real specific YouTube growth hacks that are working right now in 2025. Let me ask you this question. Which of these hacks are you already using? And which one of them are you going to try next? Drop it in the comment. I read and reply to everyone. And if you found this video valuable, hit that subscribe button because every single week I break down the same strategy top creators use to grow fast and I give them to you without the fluff. One last thing, YouTube doesn't reward the lucky. It rewards the one who show up, test what works, and keep getting better. Make your next upload your best one yet.